Hello students, hi students grade 4. Welcome back to ICT class with Miss Mady. Hello, good morning. Welcome back again. Okay, students, Miss Mady is very happy to see you again in this year 2022. So, how was your holiday? Do you enjoy? That's good. Okay, so you're already refreshed now because you already enjoy your holiday, Christmas and New Year holiday. So, in this year, okay, we are going to continue learning again about the ICT. In this video, we will learning about lesson 5. So, grab your book and tell me what is the topic of lesson 5. Do you know what is the topic of lesson 5? Yes, it's about MSWLOGO. Do you know why we learning MSWLOGO? No? Okay. Today, Miss Mady wants to explain to you about how to install the program and what is the function of the programs. So are you ready? That's good. Let's get started. Hello students. Today Miss Mady will explain how to download MSWLOGO applications and install it in our computer or our laptop. MSWLOGO is an application that helps you to understand the basic of computer programming. So, without any further delay, let's get started. I'm using the Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, you can type MSWLOGO download and then press enter key. Now you can see it show you that download MSWLOGO free latest version. Just click on it or click the link and the website will open it. Wait for a few seconds. After that, you will see the green color buttons for the free download. Click the button and then the download will begin. You must wait until the downloading finishes. After the downloading completed, you can see the file onto your computer. And maybe the notification will be shown on your monitor. Open the download folder and then find the file. Find MSWLOGO and you can see the type is applications. Right click and then choose run as administrator. When you have clicked it, it will ask you whether you want to make any changes on the device. Just choose yes. After wait, the setup wizard will begin. Just click next button and then next again, and it will show the installation. Once the installation is completed, minimize the download folder and then check your desktop. You will find the MSWLOGO applications installed on your computer, and the shortcut icon will be displayed on your desktop. You can click it or right click to open the applications. Once you open the applications, just click OK. And then the applications started for us. Okay students, now this video already explained how to install it. Okay, you can search in the Google Chrome web browser and then just type MSWLOGO. It is free program. Okay student, that's it for now. We will continue and in our second video about how to use MSWLOGO and the components of MSWLOGO window. So I will see you in the second video. Bye bye.